You are now entering the Popcart layer, an unknown zone with doors unlocked. A dimensional trip into a geek sanctuary. Follow me into the occult toy box.
Mama's gonna kill for you the whole damn world. And if they don't laugh at our jokes, Mama's gonna stab out their goddamn throats.
Today in the Occult Toy Box, I bring you DC Collectibles designer series Harley Quinn by the late great Darwyn Cooke. The great Darwyn Cooke drew some amazing variant covers and even a page for the New 52 Harley Quinn issue 0. DC Collectibles have taken his sketches and managed to capture Cooke's brilliant art in toy form. I really like the boxes DC Collectibles have been producing. They are resealable and have a sleek design. You can also collect Darwyn Cooke's vision of Batman and Supergirl, and of course, the one and only Harley Quinn. Let's take a closer look at this amazing collectible and open the box. Harley Quinn on her throne, queen to her Joker. I really love this design of Harley Quinn by Cooke. From her smiling grin face sculpt to her combat boots. She has that roller derby girl style and it's great. I know in her current comic series, you can find her wearing multiple outfits, which is fun and creative. DC Collectibles could infinitely produce an array of multiple stylized Harleys, and I'd buy every one of them, especially my sister, who's a die-hard Harley fanatic. As most of DC Collectibles, besides DC Icons, their collectibles have limited articulation. This doesn't bother me too much. As long as the design and sculpt look great, I'm happy. Harley's head is on a ball joint and rotates very well. Her arms are also on a ball joint, which surprised me, so that's a great addition. Her elbow just bends and her wrist can rotate. Her legs are not on ball joints, so she lacks most leg poses. The paint application is superb. The red and the black work so well on her pale white skin. There are only very minor paint smears on her leg, but nothing off-putting. Her thigh-high socks and her combat boots are killer. Her head sculpt is probably my favorite on this toy, and I also love the design of reindeer bells on her neck. With this Harley Quinn collectible, you also get one accessory, her sledgehammer. The sculpt of the hammer is just as nicely done. The hammer is actually quite hefty and could topple Harley if you display her in certain poses. In my opinion, this Harley Quinn collectible, designed by the genius Darwyn Cooke, is amazing. Her sculpt is fantastic and the paint really pops. The pros beat the very few cons on this toy. Maybe a few more accessories would have been nice, but nonetheless, this is a great action figure. I give this designer series Harley Quinn 9 mallets out of 10. It's now time to close and lock up the Pop Cult layer for today. Subscribe so you do not miss out on another episode.